Hey there. A little windy right now over here, but never mind. I want to show you today this little piece of equipment. This is a toolbox that is made from the German company HAZET, and this is one of the best tools around. It's very expensive, and especially this special edition that is made for Porsche owners. People that that tinker around in their Porsches. You can see here, made in Germany. They are the supplier for Porsche for tools. Here we can see what's in there. It's a small box, and because if I want to show you a close-up of the parts inside, look at this. That's the box, how it looks like. Yeah, it says HAZET on it. You open it up like this, and look at this pretty thing. Can you see it? It's all small stuff. So I'm going to put it up here, and then I use my phone to do the close-up shots. Go in here in the video mode, and then take this in. So I don't know, maybe I have to show this, how this works. I'm going to show how this works. So when you open it up like this, and then set it in here so it stays in this position, so you have a good overview of things. Okay, so you have your Porsche Motorsport ratchet in there, nice engraved here, made in Germany, so not made in China. Here is like your tools, Phillips and stuff, and then here are the good ones. Look at this here. This is a 14 millimeter. Very, very heavy. Oh, it almost cracked my table. Here, it's so heavy. And there's the smallest. What is this? 4 millimeters. Look at that. It looks pretty large here on the thing here. So the tiny screwdriver. Yeah. This is 1.5 millimeter. Of course, I'm dropping everything here. You see how tiny it is? So there's a lot of stuff in here. And what's the smallest? 2 millimeter. Here, TORX. What is this? A T10. TORX 10, okay. All that, okay. So, and then here are those longer ones in here. T20, T25, T30. Phillips, Look at this. This is a PH1. Look at them. Can I get this thing in here, right? Let's see on this side. So what is this for? So this is hard to read. It's not even anything on there. That's number 1, but look, it doesn't have this engraving and the laser in here. Here it's a PZ2. This one here. So I don't know why the PZ1 doesn't have the PZ1 in here. This is HAZET there. It didn't laser engrave good enough. You see that? Ha! I wonder if that is wanted like this, because all the others have it engraved good. HAZET, yeah. See, there is a number on there. Maybe that's a problem. So if somebody from HAZET is watching this, let me know if I get this one replaced. Okay, so then we have here this one. This is also maybe special to you guys. Look at this. There's a hole in there. And here's where you switch left and right. Of course, what everybody wants to know, how easy is this thing? How easy is it to use? So when you see here, so this doesn't fit like a normal thing, right? So you have to take this out first. There we go here. Can you hear it? Amazing. Amazing. Let's do another close-up here. It says MI made in Germany. MI Germany, made in Germany. Okay. It goes in there. Yeah, so there is not much more to say about this. It goes back in here, and if you mess up the case, you can buy a new case for 50 bucks. This whole kit goes like 150, 160 plus shipping. So not cheap, but in the moment it is a good price here. They were more expensive before. Right, so I hope you liked this. And for me, this is more like a collector thing.